Hello everyone. Here's a quick sneak peek at the latest updates in Google Sheet and NetSuite integration, currently in development. So let's take a look. The two new exciting features that has been introduced are support for saved searches. This allows users to pull the saved search data into the Google Sheets. The second one is grouped reports. This allows users to group reports for easy access and management. As you can see, the interface is designed to remain clean and user-friendly, allowing users to focus just on their data without any unnecessary distraction and complications. Everything is just a few clicks away. Now let's see the report in action. We'll start with adding new reports to the Google Sheet. To add a new report, the user needs to update the analytics reference table with the report name and report ID. So I'll just quickly go ahead and paste the data over here. Yeah. Once the user have added the data, they can just refresh the page to see the updated menu. So as you can see, the search menu has popped up with the report name over here. I can just go ahead and click on this menu item and it should run a script in the background and pull the data into a new sheet. Yep. So as you can see, the new sheet has been populated with the save search data. Let me also add another data. This will be a dataset report basically. So if I just copy and paste it over here, and now let me refresh this. As you see, the new report is a dataset report, right? So we have the menus for both the save search as well as the dataset. If I go ahead and click on this employee report, it should run it and create a new sheet with the dataset contents basically. Yeah, so that's done. Um, Now let's move into the grouping of report, right? So we have an empty column over here called as group name. If I just go ahead and call this group 1, right? And I just copy the same and add it to the third row, right? So now if I go ahead and refresh this sheets, I should see another menu for group or report groups, right? And it should show me the name of the group, that is group 1. If I just go ahead and click on this, it should clear all the sheets data, the employee report and the employee me report, right? And again refill that with the updated data. So yeah, as you can see, the employee report has been updated, the employee me report has been updated. I can just go ahead and delete this just to show you once again how the data is pulled. So if I go to report group and group 1, it should execute the script and add 2 new sheets. So as you can see, this helps users to fetch multiple groups or multiple reports in a single click, right? I have another report. Now this is just to test the volume handling capability of the Google Sheets. So I have an expense report. I'll just add it over here. So this is a save search. I think this should contain around 14,000 rows of data. Let me refresh the Google Sheets page. Yeah. And since this is a save search, I can just click on the search and it should show the expense report. Now let me run the expense report. Uh, for the sake of the demo, I will not fast forward it. Let's see in real time how quickly the data gets added to the sheets. So it's still processing, and yeah, the data has now been pulled into the Google Sheets. If I scroll down at the bottom, you can see there are around 14,000 rows, right? I have another report, and this is just a basic report with around 300,000 rows. So yeah, let's test out the performance of that one as well. So I'll just add the name of the report and I will refresh this page. And it should show up in the search menu. So yeah, I have the FX report. Let's run this report and see how it fetches those 300,000 rows into the sheet. So it's processing. Once you see the new sheet, right, that means the data has already been dumped from NetSuite and it's being written into the Google Sheets. So it's running the script and yeah, it has added around 300,000 rows, right? Let's see when it populates it. So yeah, as the data is huge, Google Sheets takes some time to write all the values into the rows. Yeah. So this definitely takes some time to load all the data. Yep. And it has finished loading the data. And you can recognize once the data is loaded into the new sheet by checking the header rows. It should format the header rows with the bold letters and adding a gray color, yeah, to the first row. So yeah, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and as always, feedback is always welcome. Yeah, thank you.